Hey, skincare queens! Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how some girls always seem to have that perfect glowing skin, like they just woke up looking that way? Well, today I am spilling the tea. Stick with me till the end because by the time we're done, you'll have all the skincare secrets you need to become that girl everyone's talking about. So grab your favorite drink, get cozy, and let's uncover the secrets to having skin that's not just Instagram worthy, but truly healthy and radiant. The basics. Knowing your skin, to start, you've got to understand your skin type. Is it oily, dry, combination, or sensitive? This knowledge is like your skincare map. Without it, you might be using products that are doing more harm than good. So let's break it down. Oily skin, if you find your face looking shiny just a few hours after washing it, especially in your T-zone, forehead, nose, chin, you've got oily skin. Don't worry though. The upside, oily skin tends to age more slowly. Dry skin, if your skin feels tight, flaky, or rough, and you're always reaching for moisturizer, you've got dry skin. It needs extra hydration and gentle care. Combination skin. This is the tricky one. If you're oily in some areas, like your T-zone, and dry in others, you've got combination skin. Sensitive skin. If your skin gets irritated easily, turns red, or reacts to many products, you've got sensitive skin. You need to be extra cautious about what you put on your face. Now that we've figured out your skin type, let's talk about building the perfect skincare routine that suits your unique needs. Trust me, these steps are game changers. Cleansing, the golden rule. Oily skin, use a gentle foaming cleanser to remove excess oil without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid or tea tree oil to keep breakouts at bay. Dry skin, go for a hydrating cleanser with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin to lock in moisture and keep your skin feeling soft and smooth. Combination skin, a balancing gel cleanser works wonders here. It cleanses the oily parts without drying out the rest of your face. Sensitive skin, opt for a fragrance-free hypoallergenic cleanser that's super gentle. Look for calming ingredients like aloe vera or chamomile. Toning, prepping for perfection. Oily skin, witch hazel or niacinamide-based toners help control oil production and reduce the appearance of pores. Dry skin, a hydrating toner with rose water or aloe vera can soothe and prepare your skin for moisture. Combination skin, a balancing toner is key. Look for something that hydrates while controlling oil, like a toner with hyaluronic acid and green tea. Sensitive skin, go for alcohol-free calming toners. Think chamomile or calendula, the magic of serums. Serums are like the secret sauce of skincare, whether you're looking to brighten, hydrate, or smooth your skin. There's a serum for that. My personal fave, a vitamin C serum in the morning for that unbeatable glow and a niacinamide serum at night to keep those pores in check. Power of moisturizer. Never skip your moisturizer, even if your skin is oily. It's all about finding the right one. Oily skin, choose a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. Gel-based ones are fantastic for keeping your skin hydrated without clogging pores. Dry skin, a richer, cream-based moisturizer with ceramides or shea butter is your best friend. Combination skin, a light, non-comedogenic moisturizer that hydrates dry areas without adding oil to your T-zone is ideal. Sensitive skin, opt for a soothing, fragrance-free moisturizer. Ingredients like oat extract or niacinamide are great. SPF your BFF. No matter your skin type, always finish your routine with sunscreen. Look for broad spectrum SPF 30 or higher. For oily skin, a mattifying sunscreen. For dry skin, a hydrating one. And for sensitive skin, a mineral-based sunscreen is best. Nighttime rituals. At night, your skin enters repair mode. Start with a double cleanse to break down makeup and SPF, then apply a repairing serum like retinol or peptides to support skin regeneration overnight. Exfoliation. But be gentle. Exfoliation is key, but overdoing it can harm your skin barrier. Stick to exfoliating 2-3 times a week using a gentle scrub or an AHA/BHA exfoliant for that smooth, polished look. Tackle those pesky skin issues. All right, let's get real. We all deal with skin issues from time to time, but don't worry, I've got some amazing tips that are 100% proven to work acne and breakouts. Products. Look for spot treatments with benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. For something natural, tea tree oil is a powerhouse, but remember to dilute it before applying. Natural remedies. Try a honey and cinnamon mask. Honey is antibacterial, and cinnamon helps to exfoliate and improve circulation. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Dark circles and puffy eyes. Products. An eye cream with caffeine or vitamin C can help brighten and depuff. Natural remedies. Brew some green tea, let the bags cool, and place them over your eyes for 10-15 minutes. The antioxidants and caffeine in the tea work wonders to reduce puffiness and lighten dark circles. Dry patches and flaky skin. Products. A gentle exfoliator followed by a rich moisturizer with hyaluronic acid is key. Natural remedies. Create a soothing mask with mashed avocado and honey. Apply it to dry areas, leave it on for 15 minutes, and rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel super soft and hydrated. Hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. Products. Serums with vitamin C or niacinamide can brighten dark spots and even out skin tone. Natural remedies. A turmeric and yogurt mask is fantastic for this. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, and yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates. Mix them together, apply, and leave for 10 minutes before rinsing. Best natural remedies for all skin types. Try a honey and turmeric mask once a week. It's anti-inflammatory and brightening, perfect for that extra glow. Or use aloe vera gel as a soothing mask to calm your skin after a long day. DIY face masks. Want to treat yourself? Mix up a DIY mask with ingredients like oatmeal for soothing, yogurt for brightening, and honey for hydration. These are not just kitchen staples, they're your secret weapons for amazing skin. Aloe vera gel soothes irritation, hydrates, and heals the skin. It's great for sunburns, acne, and even as a lightweight moisturizer. Cucumber, super hydrating and refreshing. Cucumber is great for calming irritated skin and reducing puffiness. Place slices on your face or blend it into a mask. Rose water. This gentle toner is perfect for refreshing and balancing all skin types. It's soothing, hydrating, and smells amazing. Your daily and weekly skincare routine. So here's the secret to being that girl with glowing skin consistency. Follow this simple routine and you'll see amazing results. Daily routine. Morning. Cleanse, tone, moisturize, and don't forget your sunscreen. Night. Double cleanse, especially if you've worn makeup. Tone. Apply any treatments like acne spot treatment or serums, and moisturize. Weekly routine. Exfoliate 1-2 times a week to remove dead skin cells and keep your skin smooth. Face mask. Treat yourself to a face mask that suits your skin type. Hydrating, clarifying, brightening. Choose what your skin needs that week. One more thing, girlies. Skincare is more than just products. It's self-care. Make it a ritual. Light a candle, play your favorite playlist, and let these moments be your daily act of love towards yourself. Remember, skincare is a journey, not a race. So be patient, be consistent, and most importantly, love the skin you're in. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because we're just getting started on this journey to becoming that girl.